You can walk like this?
No.
Yeah.
Go that way.
No. Adventure. Come.
Oh, I'm stepping on the branch. That's why.
Come now.
It's gonna be easy. Oh, one of them went way. It says your way. One of the flowers, like one of them, the flowers. I tried to dodge it, but then the flowers was bending too much, so I went to touch my ear. Was it going that way or that way?
Oh no.
Before.
Now I don't remember. Uh-oh.
Oh no, is it that way?
Uh-oh.
Nah, that's just a big rock. And maybe it's just an animal.
No, this way I think.
Oh, can we go that way? I want to check that rock.
It's scary. Okay, let's go.
Okay, I want to see that rock. Over
Okay, go. Maybe that's the way to the exit. I'm not sure. What can you see down there?
I see some blue stuff, but I think it's just one over. I'll go check. I'll go check.
Keep going.
No, it's just land. It's just land. Mama,
Uh-oh, you see?
Mama,
This
I
one.
see open place, and I see a railroad track.
Okay,
I
keep
see two. Let's
keep
go.
going. No, go.
Is this the right way?
Yeah.
Oh, how do you know? Do you remember?
I don't
No, I slipped. I almost fell down.
I don't remember, but we keep going.
I slipped.
Uh-oh.
Guys!
Shh.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no.
Can you
Where can we go? Oh, it's that way? Is it that way or that way?
I'm not sure. Maybe this way.
Very good.
Because this is the way to the Hmm. I think yeah. No. Not, don't go too far.
Hey guys, that's not a railroad track. It's just a bridge.
Huh?